Hi everyone, welcome to another Terry Talk. You would have had to been living under a rock last week in Canada and had not had heard of the Four Nations Cup. What seemed like sort of a mundane tournament became a rallying call for the country. If you were asleep at the wheel, Canada beat the United States in overtime, and it just wasn't another victory. This was a powerful statement of our national pride, especially as the country faces tariffs and disparaging 51st state comments from our friends, supposed friends, some not so much, south of the border. It really reaffirms our strength and our identity. And it goes beyond just winning a tournament. It symbolizes resilience and unity and an unyielding sense of pride that defines our nation. And despite the challenges from aggressive tariffs and rhetoric that's undermining our sovereignty as a nation, our team's victory shows that Canada stands strong and independent. It serves as a rallying call for every Canadian, reminding us that when we unite, our collective strength can overcome any adversity at all. And there's some parallels to organizations, teamwork and collaboration. Just as Team Canada united with a clear vision and unwavering trust, those organizations that have collaborative cultures are better equipped to navigate even the toughest environments. Culture always important. Also, resilience and hope and uncertainty. With all the external pressures and unpredictable challenge, resilience is paramount. Even when things seem hopeless, hope endures. In fact, I recall, and I've talked about this before on the channel, President Snow famously stated in The Hunger Games, some of you may have seen this movie, there's no emotion more powerful or scary than hope. This powerful reminder inspires both national unity and corporate perseverance. So we need to be mindful of the fact that strategic preparation and agility, this win wasn't accidental. Rigorous preparation, adaptive strategies, the ability to pivot under pressure, those are the critical elements for success in business. So Canada's victory at the Four Nations Cup is a potent reminder when you blend national pride with exceptional teamwork, strategic resilience, and unwavering belief in hope, you can transform challenges into triumphs. So let this moment inspire organizations to build stronger teams, better cultures, embrace adaptability. Always hold on to hope, even when it seems like the situation may be hopeless. Here's to celebrating victories that fuel our collective strength and inspire hope, both on the ice and in our organizations.